Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nia, also known as the Queen Styles. So as you guys seen from the title, we are going to be talking about 5 reasons why your natural hair isn't growing. Okay sis, so let's get it. So the reasons that I'm going to give you guys are going to be non-medical reasons. If you guys have medical issues going on with you, I'm not a doctor. Like, this is not like if you have alopecia or none of that. This is totally like non-medical reasons, okay? And the only reason why I have my hair like this right now is because I'm about to wash my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys like how my hair like has grown for like 2 to 3 years. No, basically 3 years. I've cut my hair in 2020. Here's a picture right here. I've cut my hair in 2020, and this is like 3 years worth of growth, and I colored it and everything. So yeah, and you see how it's growing. Like, my new growth is already growing. Like, I literally just colored my hair and it's already growing. Like, I'm doing the things that I'm telling you. I'm not just telling you just to tell you. I've actually been doing them. So that's why I would love to help you in your hair journey. So the first reason why your natural hair isn't growing is because you're not intaking enough water. Okay, so you're not drinking enough water, right? So here's a solution. What you're gonna do is every night, every single night, you're going to drink 1 of those little mini bottles of water. Just 1. Make it a goal to drink 1 every single night. And then by like the 2nd week, then that's when you can start drinking 1 of these every single night. And then you just want to keep going. Like, just grow into your body getting used to drinking water more, because that will help your hair grow, okay? Now, if you want your hair to grow, you have to drink water. Like, even if it's not just for your hair growth, it's for your skin, your nails, everything. Like, water is your best friend. Okay? Okay. Now, this reason is going to probably shock you. Alright, so the second reason why your hair is not growing is because, sis, you're eating too much sugar. I'm sorry, but you're consuming too much sugar. And I used to do this. I used to eat a lot of sugar. Sugar is basically in everything now. So I've lowered my sugar intake by stop putting sugar in my teas and my oatmeals, everything. Like, I'm not gonna be having sugar too much anymore because it has so many bad effects for you. Like, sugar is just not good for you, period. So having high sugar diets can cause various health conditions, okay? It can contribute to thinning hair and hair loss. So you might not have any medical like conditions with you or whatever, but your hair is thinning or your hair is shedding because you're consuming too much sugar. Like, you need to reduce your sugar intake. I get that everybody has like a sweet tooth and stuff like that, but I have a sweet tooth and I'm trying to, you know, combat that. But having too much sugar can affect your hair. Like, I wouldn't say you can't have sugar at all, but you need to like reduce it. So the next reason why your hair is not growing, sis, I'm sorry to say, but you do not take care of your hair. I know a lot of people, even my clients, I have some clients that say this too, and they don't have time to take care of their hair. They don't know what to do with their hair. They don't know how to grow it and stuff like that. If you don't have enough time, I would say do your hair at night, okay? Take care of your hair at night before you go to bed, okay? That way your hair is getting some type of nourishment, whether it be spraying leave-in conditioner in your hair, putting like, not just putting oil, because oil does not moisturize your hair. I don't know why people keep saying I'm moisturizing my hair with oil. No, oil does not moisturize your hair. Oil seals the moisture that you already have in your hair. So you have leave-in conditioner, whatever product you have, a cream, you put the oil on top of that product so that it can seal that product in. okay, so that your hair is not dry. That's what oil is for. It's not, you could put it on your scalp for hair growth and stuff like that, but it's not for moisturizing. I don't know why people keep saying oil is like for moisturizing your hair. It's not a moisturizer. It's really not. It's to seal moisture into your hair. You're not taking care of your hair. So what you can do is do your hair at night, like I said. So what you have to do is figure out which products work for you. You have to experiment. It's gonna take some time and some money, but it's going to help you in the long run. You're gonna find some products that works best for you. Some products works best for you, some products don't work best for you. Some products work good for somebody else and it don't work for you. So sis, you need to experiment on different products. You know, go to the beauty supply store, get you some products from Amazon, do what you have to do to figure out what is good for your hair, and you will know when those products are good for your hair. Okay, so basically do your hair at night. Okay, so let's say you have on a wig or whatever. Moisturize your hair at night. Like, put some spray leave-in conditioner on your braids, put some oil, and then leave it at that. Do that once a week, and I guarantee you your hair will love it, because your hair is dry under them wigs. Like, you have to make sure that you moisturize it. Okay, so the fourth reason why your hair is not growing, sis, is because you keep your protective hairstyles in for way too long. Like, I'm saying like 5-6 months or whatever. You keeping your hair in for way too long. You cannot keep your hair in a protective style for no more than 3 months, especially if it's locks. I do not recommend past 3 months. Is it. After 3 months is it, because first of all, you're not really taking care of your hair. Like, if you're a person that does protective styling and don't actually take care of your hair while it's in the protective style, then it's going to be pointless. Like, the whole thing is going to be pointless. Your hair is going to be dry and brittle. You know, girls can go around, I'm sorry, but I don't know how girls can go around with old hairstyles and not refresh them. Like, if you have locks, refresh your locks, okay, so that it looks like you just got it done. Like, refresh your locks, make sure you moisturize your hair while you have your protective style in, because if you do not, it is going to break and you're going to lose your hair. Okay, it's not going to protect anything. Like, your hair is not going to grow, it's just going to break, because you're not doing anything to nourish it. You know, just because your hair is in braids, quick weaves, locks, twists, just because your hair is in crochet, like, does not mean that you stop doing your hair. It only means that when you wake up, your hair is already done. It's already done, right? But you still have to make sure that your hair is moisturized. I can't stress this enough, because a lot of people out there just get their braids done and that's it. Like, they just keep it in for like however many months they feel like keeping it in for. No, it don't work that way, sis. It don't work that way. The last reason why your hair is not growing is because you do not let your hair breathe in between protective styling. So a lot of people like to just get their hair done, but I always tell my clients, like, you need to give your hair like a little break in between styles. If you don't give your hair a break in between styles, your hair is going to be accustomed to just being put up and not like having like air to breathe. Like, your hair needs to breathe. Like, treat it like a baby, okay? Treat it like a baby. Like, babies need to breathe, right? Babies need love, right? So treat your hair with love, all of that. You need to love your hair. Personally, I make sure that my hair breathes at least a week in between my styles. Because I do content and do hair videos, I actually have to have my hair done like the majority of the time. But I do make sure that my hair is breathing in between those styles. But you don't want to like over manipulate your hair as well. So make sure your hair is breathing. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it was very helpful to you. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, make sure that you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys are new to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.